10 of the best-smelling perfumes in the world. Number 10. Thierry Mugler Angel, a powerful and indulgent fragrance with notes of patchouli, vanilla, and chocolate. Number 9. Dior J'adore, a floral fragrance featuring notes of ylang ylang, jasmine, and rose. Number 8. Victor and Rolf Spice Bomb, an explosive and spicy scent featuring notes of cinnamon, tobacco, and leather. Number 7. Gucci Guilty Absolute, a bold and intense fragrance combining notes of leather, patchouli, and cypress. Number 6. Tom Ford Oud Wood, a rich and woody scent with prominent notes of oud, sandalwood, and vetiver. Number 5. Jean Paul Gaultier Le Male, a seductive and distinctive fragrance with notes of lavender, mint, and vanilla. Number 4. Lancôme La Vie Estate Belle, a captivating and sweet fragrance featuring notes of iris, patchouli, and praline. Number 3. Yves Saint Laurent Opium, an opulent and spicy fragrance with notes of mandarin, jasmine, and amber. Number 2. Creed Royal Oud, a luxurious and exotic fragrance combining notes of oud, cedarwood, and sandalwood. Number 1. Christian Dior Hypnotic Poison, a mesmerizing and sensual scent with notes of almond, jasmine, and vanilla.